Hello everyone, my name is Matteo Tolio and I'm the Sales and Marketing Manager of Italy for Polartec. Today we are here at our booth and I want to present you a collection of cycling garments that we developed for field tests. So basically here, as you can see, we have different kinds of garments. So the first one here is a vest where we basically used our alpha insulation. Alpha is an active insulation that keeps you warm, but at the same time is really breathable, so you don't overheat during the cycling activity. On this kind of vest here, we used our wind block soft shell that is 100% windproof, so it protects you from the wind, from the water, from the elements. And on the back here, we used our Delta cooling technology that is really breathable and keeps you cool during the activity. On this jacket here, we have our Power Shield Pro technology that basically protects you from the elements, from the rain, from the wind, and has maximum breathability. Here on the bib short, we combine together two different Polartec technologies. So Delta, that is our cooling technology, here on the back, keeps you cool during the activity, while here we use our Power Stretch technologies for a dynamic flexibility and compression that is important for the cycling bib short. So here you can see different Polartec technologies combined together to give maximum comfort during the cycling activity. Again, we like to test our technologies on field with pro cycling athletes and to prove that our fabrics and technologies really work.